Alright, what's up, y'all? So in this video, it's just gonna be a little update of the Ftmo challenge. So for one, if you didn't watch my last video right here about the old verification that I had failed, you can go and watch that. I was explaining like my little journey and stuff and why I took a break from YouTube and the reason that I failed the challenge. So, but in this joint, I'm gonna be talking about the new challenge that I had bought. So I already passed it. The trades that I had posted in my last video, those are the trades that helped me pass the challenge. So I actually only I had it was just 3,000 at first, but I was taking a trade and I thought it was on like a demo account, but it was on my Ftmo account. I got it mixed up, so I'm actually up 3,400. So I just got a little 5 days left before I can get my credentials for the verification though. So I'm gonna just show y'all the little what I made. This 3,000. That's what I made on the last video I posted, and then this 370 is what I just made today. So well, I placed the trade Thursday, but I closed it Friday before the market closed. So let me go and hop on a chart real quick. So I already showed y'all these. I placed 3 trades on GJ. That's how I passed the challenge. Um, in the trades that I took Thursday, it was AU and GA. So real simple. I just got up in this trade off a double top pattern. So I was in a buy right here, and I switched my bias after what I seen what the market was doing. So you got this little resistance area right here, and it came up, and even though the bodies closed above these bodies, it still didn't break above this long wick that it made. And then you can see it made like a it made an evening star pattern. So what I did was I waited for this doji on the 4 hour to form on the resistance, and then I dropped down to the 1 hour, and you can see how the momentum is shifting. And so what I did was I was just making sure that price wasn't going to break above the resistance before I put in the sell. So after I seen these 3 little sell bearish candles forming, I dropped down to the 5 minute for my entries. And so all I was doing was waiting for a break and retest on the 5 minute. So I didn't catch none of this over here, but looking from right here, it broke below the moving averages, came up, retested it twice, made a tweezer top on the moving average, and I entered on this bearish candle right here. And you see the moving average is already crossed over. So that was my entry, and I got out because the market was finna close. But so I got out around here. So that was my entry on AU, and on GA I got stopped out on GA. So I got stopped out twice on GA. On both situations, I should have put my stop loss a little bit below the level. I still probably would have got stopped out because of this long week, because of news. But I don't remember if I said in the last video, but I don't really trade news anymore. Like, it is important, but me personally, I just don't trade news. It's just too much to add on to my trading style. So I just don't focus on the news. I just focus on price action, and it's been working, what I'm saying, so far. So of course I'm gonna take some losses surrounded by news, but not too much. And with the Ftmo challenge, I mean with the Ftmo, like when I get the live account, they don't let you trade certain news, so I won't be getting in those type of trades. But when I have my own personal account, I don't think I would really be focusing on the news like that. But my entry on GA from Thursday, which is this one. All I did was, well, I started on the 4 hour and I was waiting for a break and retest of this resistance right here. So you can see it broke through with a lot of momentum, broke all the way through, came up here, and I was just waiting for the retest on the 1 hour. So waited for the retest, and it retested right here initially, and I got in uh like around this doji right here on the when I dropped down to the 5 minute. I got in, and then I got stopped out. So Thursday I got back in after it dropped down some more, created this morning star pattern. Morning star pattern, and dropped down to the 5. All right, on the 5 minute, you can see it broke above the moving averages, and it was just really playing around the moving averages. Moving average crossed over right here, and I got in. I was gonna get in on this candle. It was just a couple seconds late, but so I got in like right here on the wick of this next candle, and I was in a good amount of profit for a minute until I got wicked out. Like I think it was like overnight or something. But that was my other trade, and but yeah, those was the trades that I took over the course of the challenge, and it's just an update trying to show where I'm at. I passed the challenge. Just wait for my next 5 trading days, and then I'll start documenting the verification stage 2, and hopefully I pass that so I can document like getting funded and like how to do withdrawals and all that type of stuff. So yeah, appreciate y'all for watching the video, and comment, like, subscribe, all that. And don't hesitate to ask any questions if y'all got questions or video suggestions too. So yeah, see y'all in the next video.